Hi, I'd like to show you DER-946Q, which is a 1000 volt input emergency power supply for automotive applications. Let's dive right in. So this is the DER-946Q board. It's a 30 to 1000 volt DC input and a 7.5 volt 10 watt output design. So here we have the input filter stage. We then have the transformer that's sitting across the high voltage and low voltage domains. And it has a bobbin that has a staircase arrangement that increases the creepage distance so that this transformer meets the requirements of reinforced isolation under IEC 60664. On the secondary, you have the output capacitors, and we have the SR synchronous rectifier MOSFET that's driven by the InnoSwitch. And we have two more terminals that are used on the secondary side. One is for a power good signal that just indicates to the system controller that the power supply is operating. And then we have an input from the system controller that is used to turn on or enable a dummy load at key on of the vehicle to verify that the power supply is operating, necessary for functional safety goals. The InnoSwitch itself is on the underside of the board, and it nicely sits right underneath the transformer. So essentially it doesn't occupy any more board area. The device is heat sunk through its source connection, source tab, to a copper plane. And here you can see also we have vias that transfer that heat to the corresponding plane on the other side of the board. And the same approach is used for the SR FET. We're using the board for heat sinking. So it's a very low component count solution, very compact, and that's it. That's the DER-946Q. If you'd like to evaluate the DER-946Q, please contact your local FAE or sales office and I'll be happy to send you one. And for more information on the board itself, please visit power.com.